Hi everybody, my name is Richard. I'm the president and CEO of Nature's Ultra. We're here at our hemp farm today. We're gonna talk more about our seeds, plants, soil, everything start to finish, give you a little sneak preview of what's behind the scenes. Farm in Colorado. We chose Colorado for our farm because Colorado has such a high elevation. There are no pesticides required. And that also ensures that your product doesn't have any pesticides. And we also chose Colorado because they are leading the way when it comes to regulation. We want to make sure that we're partnering with states that are committed to growing this industry, and Colorado is definitely at the top of that list. One of my favorite things about Colorado is our entire hemp farm is naturally grown in the sunlight. We want to be a part of the ecosystem, so that's another reason we don't use any pesticides. There are, bees and other bugs around here that actually don't harm the plant at all, and they just live here. So it's really important to us, whether it's sunlight, the well water, the soil, everything's got to be dialed in to meet our requirements.
You guys were lucky today.
Seed genetics are so important because you get a lot of farmers that could easily just, I'm gonna go buy these seeds, I'm gonna plant them on my ground, end of story, grow the crop, I'm done. They're not engineering or innovating the space, and therefore their crop yield could technically go down each year. So your farm's not doing as successful. And the other real tell for that is the flat plainness of the crop. So if your crop has a consistency now, you're seeing that all of the plants are growing properly. The soil, the water, everything dialed in, and you're getting that consistent growth, but that does start at the seed. Each season we develop and have genetics of our seeds, and we do this to increase the yield of each of our harvests. And so every year we actually have a greater yield out of our plants. And this all is done intentionally because we want a higher quality yield, a higher quality product. We use organic farming practices, and we do that on purpose because the USDA has not come into the space and said that this crop can be certified organic. We're in essence complying with everything that would be required by the USDA to make our crop as organic as possible. So when they do release that certification, it's available to us immediately. And part of that for us is rotating the crop. So we'll actually put a different crop on the field in between the two harvest seasons. And that way the crop is able to pull out some of that toxins and other stuff in the dirt. It helps purify the dirt before the next rotation of hemp plants are born. There are several wells all throughout our farm here. And these wells are really important because you want to know the source of your water, because the quality of that water will dictate the quality of your plant. This is obviously something that the plants are getting on a consistent basis. If that water source is not up to the quality standards, your plant will not meet the quality standards. So all of our well water is tested and certified before we use it. After the harvest is done, the soil is still have some treatments left. And what we do is actually go back through the field and mulch the leftover stalks and any leftover hemp plant and mulch it back into the dirt. And this helps the soil get all the nutrients naturally from what's either grown and other plants that are still in there, and mixes all back up, and then you're left with a nice clean field. Everything that is in this is recycled back into the, and again, all plays back to quality. We don't go through all these efforts for no reason. We want to make sure that the moment it's planted and the seed is in the ground, that it's got the best opportunity to be the fullest plant possible. Hey everybody, thanks so much for coming out. I really appreciate it. We hope you got a really good chance to see everything from seeds to soil to water. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please do share with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.